before we start our training sa court. Okay? Sa rain or shine, hindi ganito ang ginagawa. Okay. So, paano ba yun? Again, I want you to activate. Activate your mind din. Hindi blanco. Pangalawa, papakiramdaman ninyo kung ano yung na-activate sa atin. Kung tumutugma ba. Okay? From seated position like that. Okay? Magla-lie down tayo na ganito. Okay? Sige. Yung second group, relax lang kayo dyan. Hindi kayo mawawalan. Okay? Okay. So ano yung una nating gagawin? We wanted to do our dynamic warm-up. Sa dynamic warm-up, include natin yung stretching. Pwede ba yun? Pwede. We are gonna do this. Tuloy-tuloy. But first things first. Ito ka muna. Ito ang gagawin kong sample. Yan. Okay? Lie down. Yun lang. Hindi pa. Sakto. So, ang una nating i-activate is this part. We want to do yung knee to chest. Okay? Knee to chest activity. Ganyan. Okay, what we want is you will do this for at least 15 repetitions. Okay? So, one side lang muna tayo. Why? We're activating this side, followed by this side. Okay? Sample. Ganon, di ba? While on your lying position. After nung 15th repetition natin, i-hold natin. Form naman siya ng static stretch. Pero okay lang mag-static stretch. Why? Kasi napagalaw mo na eh. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Kasi, bakit ganun? Nag-static pa siya. For us to improve pa. Okay? Okay. After nun, papagawa natin kay sir. Nakaganyan in leg extension. From leg extension, mahatak yung hamstring. Okay? On the 15th repetition, papahatak natin or papahold natin. After nun, ang motion niya will be straight leg raise. Sa straight leg raise, pang 15th repetition, still, we're hitting the posterior muscles. Okay? After nun, dahil nga, ang mangyayari, try to imagine it. Gagawin natin siya, kumbaga sa bata, nagsimula sa paggapang hanggang sa tumayo at activate. Okay? After nun kasi, lift up, then rotate. Okay? Ready na kayo? First group. Second group, observe. Okay? Sir, may music pa tayo dyan. Para medyo... Sige, okay lang. Okay? Knee to chest. 15 times. Okay? On my cue. Guys, dapat laging ganon. We should learn how to cue. Okay? So, ready? And, go. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hatak, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hold. Count to 15.
Talagang ginawa ka talaga dyan.
From this position, leg extension. 15 times. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Ramp down nyo yung hamstrings nyo. Tama lang yan. Ang target natin, once we reach the 15th repetition, at least mas mahaba na. Or nalente na yung muscles natin. Ilan na? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hold. Yung stretch. Stretch natin. 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This time, straight leg raise. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hold again. Hold.
Ayaw nga lumaban.
And then release. This time be in your T position. T. Medyo luwagan natin ng konti. Why? Pag lift up, rotate towards your side. 15 times. Get ready. And go.
Sir, para...
Here. Go. That's 1. 2. Let's go. 3. 4.
Awas din dyan. Talagang letter D yan.
5.
Talaga yun.
6.
Walang pagka-F yan.
7. 8.
Sir, pwede pumirma.
9. 10. 11. 12.
Ilan na daw, Ter?
Bumababa ba?
13. 14. Last one.
Paano nireklamo na ako?
15. Stay in that position. Feel the stretch. Ayan yung ma-stretch yung likod nyo.
Isa ito, Brett. Isa ito.
And then release. To your neutral position. Next natin. I want you to be in this position. Nakati pa rin. Bend your knees. Gagalaw naman yan is the upper body. So try to reach over at your opposite side. Let's try to rotate. Okay, 15 times. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Ano ba ginagawa ko, wait?
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Galaw, bro.
15. Okay, we're good with one side. We will move over to the opposite side. Neutral position ulit. Okay, yung opposite leg naman. Knee to chest again. We'll do it all over again. Second side, or rather second chest sundating. Opposite side lang. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Feel the stretch. 13, 14, 15. Hold.
Grabe. Ito yung lamig, oh.
Then leg extension. Get ready. Go. 1, 2. Stretch your hamstrings actively. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Ayun na, mainit na.
12, 13, 14, 15. Hold. Talagang hindi tuwid yung mga hamstrings natin, ha? Yung mga knees natin, ha? Ramdam na ramdam yung hata. Okay lang yan. Okay, this time. Straight leg raise. 15 times. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hold. Pwede mo tulog.
Tawa na kayo dyan, Robert.
then release. This time, be in your T position. Lift up, rotate. Try to stretch your lower back kasi it's good for your lower back. And go. 1. Good. Throw. 2. 3. Relax lang, relax lang. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stretch. Loosen your lower back. Stretch also dito sa obliques. Saka sa pectoralis major down.
Huh? Dama mo, pre. Kasi nadama ko na, oh.
Then relax.
Yung lamig.
Again.
Yung lamig na nakapasok.
Punta tayo sa bent knee position. Activating your torso. Try to reach over your opposite side. Ready? And go.
Jay, saan yung lamig?
Yan. 1,
Saan yung lamig?
2,
Nasa
3,
prison.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Baka matututo ako magsampay.
11, 12, 13,
Pawis na, Rio.
14, 15. Okay. Stay still sa T position, neutral. Diretso na yung legs. Okay? So, medyo pinagalaw na natin, di ba? Dagdagan pa natin. Lower X. Nakabend siya. From this to this. 15 times. Let it be. Gagalaw yung lower X. Stabilize yung upper X. Okay? And, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's good for your lower back. Para ma-activate.
Hindi ko nga mababa, ibaba mo.
Balong sa inyo mamaya. Nine. 10.
Rico, gan.
11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Okay, kumusta naman so far? Nagwa-warm up na tayo. Medyo pawis na. Dagdagan natin. Now we will move towards our prone position. Nakadapa. But as much as possible, pwedeng nakaganyan. Nakaka-relax. Okay? We will do our scorpion kick. Why? We want to activate yung hip flexors or rather hip extensors and hip flexors. Stretch sa opposite, activate sa opposite muscle. Para mas maganda, tuloy-tuloy, do it, alternate. So, 1, 2. Okay, ready? 30 count. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Daan.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so activate your hips, your glutes, pag-lift. Stretch natin yung hip flexors natin. Ilan na, Brad? 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, last one, 30. Okay. Mas pasayahin natin. Tingnan natin kung gano'n karami yung arms natin.
Baba mo naman.
This will be our next position. Okay? Switch. Switch. 30 count. We need need to stretch our inner thighs and activate or move our hips as well. Ready tayo. 30 counts again. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Buo yung pali. Yan. Ha?
20,
Sabi ko kayo nasama siya.
21,
Sayang, sayang.
22,
Ganda na tinulong.
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now we're good where our lower X. Isama natin yung upper X. Still in this position. Lift up. Rotate. Lift up.
Wayan lang, bro.
Rotate. Let's do 10 per side. 10 per side lang. Wayan lang yan. Rotate. Okay lang. Muna tayo. Let's start with the right side. Position. Position. Sige lang, sige lang.
Ang saya nyo, mamaya kayo naman. Para nyo
Stabilize. While in this position, we're activating our core. So another form of good warm-up. Okay. As much as possible, ibaba natin yung buttocks natin. Pag nakaganyang position tayo, titingnan natin. Yung shoulders, hips, ankles should be pantay. Pantay pa sa inyo, ibig sabihin, ibababa nyo yung buttocks nyo. Okay, we don't want it to be like this. We want it to be like this. Position. Guys, ready? Let's do 10 per side. And on my cue, go. The top 1, 2, 3, 4,
Uy, RJ, mali!
5, okay. 6,
Paano ba?
7,
Asa sa isa ba?
8, 9, 10. Okay, switch tayo. Opposite. Baka magtampo yung kabila. Stabilize again. Ready. And exhale up. 1, inhale down. 2, 3, tingnan natin yung alignment. Kung nakaangat yung bata, bababa. 5, 6, 7,
Jonel, oh. Yan yung binyag-binyag.
9,
Pagkakita ka pa lang
10. Okay. Warm up na kayo? Tingin nyo. Pwede na, di ba?
Pwede na matulog.
Wala eh. Activate natin lahat, di ba?
Papala.
Okay. Good job, guys. Yan yung sa stationary natin.
Stationary.
Paganahin natin yung iba.
Yeah! Oy!